can't work out if, I don't have my glasses on, but if what I can see are the two Takahē or really fat Pukeko. I think Pukeko. Oh! No. Wait. Takahē. Wonder if I can get my tripod out. Just gone into the long grass, and I'm hoping that they come back out again. They're so close. Now the reason that these guys are so amazing is they were once thought to be completely extinct, but one scientist that decided that could not be true finally found birds in the Murchison Mountains. We've now got 370 in the entire world. Oh my god, I can't believe it.
Takahē live in pairs or with their close immediate family. They move around throughout the day looking for tasty food together. You can see that they each have a really large red beak, which is perfect for stripping the base of tussock tillers to get to the juicy new growth right at the bottom. To help them, they hold the grass down with one of their feet. They also use their beak to snip much softer grasses closer to the ground. Due to their diet, they spend most of their day eating just to get enough nutrition to survive. At the sanctuaries that house Takahē, there are several feeding stations dotted around. These are there to supplement the animals' diets at different points throughout the year. And these two seem very disappointed that at this time of year the feeder is empty.